So while I was away in Scotland a week or so ago, there was lots of reports locally to where I actually live of bearded Reedlings or bearded tits actually on one of the reserves, and really showing well in the reeds, and it became quite a popular little thing. But of course I was in Scotland, and it is one of my target species. You know, I've never really got any decent shots of them. So I've come down this morning. I'm a week later from the last report. The last report was last Sunday. I've not seen any reports of it during the week, which is quite unusual. So my guess is it's not here anymore. And there's lots of reed warblers I can hear in here, lots of other stuff going on. Massive day for the fishermen today out on the reservoir. I think there must be some competition or something going on. Some of the kit some of these fishermen have got, it looks like they've got like sonar detectors for the fish on canoe type things, you know, absolutely phenomenal stuff. So yeah, it's been quite busy this morning just down here, but been standing here for probably an hour or so now. Loads of reed warblers, can't even get a shot of those at the moment, but we'll have a little go, and if not, maybe we'll just have a little walk down to the hide. There's a hide down here, maybe we'll have a sit and hide and see if there's anything down there instead. I've actually just made a quick dash down to one of the hides, because I was standing up there by the reed bed, which is not far away. Almighty clap of thunder behind me from where the weather's coming from, so I'm not sure if there's a storm coming in. So I'm not really dressed for it. I'm not getting waterproofs or anything today. It's quite humid, quite warm. So yeah, I thought I'd take the safe option. So I've just come down to hide for a bit. There wasn't much going on at the reed beds, to be honest. I wasn't getting any reed warblers. Out here we've got the terns. We've actually got out here a Tern Raft, which my business has actually sponsored. So that was quite good. We actually came down and did the launch of the Tern Raft here a little while ago. So it's going to be quite, oh yeah, here comes the rain. It's going to be quite nice just to sit here for a bit actually and watch the Tern Raft and actually see if there's any terns on it. And you know, there are a few terns flying around. I can't see anything on the raft at the moment, but there are a few terns around. So let's have a look. Yeah, it'd be nice to get some terns on the I Am Kelly sponsored Tern Raft. So yeah, I've just been photographing the Tern Raft, and there is actually a pair of terns on there, and they have been breeding. There's actually at least one chick I can see there. I can't get a decent image of the chick because it's actually sitting behind the glass of the actual Tern Raft, but it looks like the male is sitting up on the top of the raft, the female's down in the Tern Raft with the chick as well. How brilliant is that? I mean, we only put that on a few months ago, and this is the first time it's been out there, and they've actually been nesting and breeding on it. Absolutely amazing.
quite a lot of great grebes around here, which are always great to see and film. A few coots around, a few mallards. I can see some swans over in this. It looks like we've got a load of cygnets behind the swans as well, actually. Yeah, the rain. I mean, the rain came down pretty heavy a few minutes ago, but it's eased off a bit now. It's still raining, but it's eased off a bit now. But it certainly wasn't what the weather forecast said. Now the mother's come off the chicks on the Tern Raft, I can actually see there are actually 2 chicks out there. Amazing! One of them looks quite small compared to the other one, so whether they'll both last or not I don't know, but there are, yeah, definitely 2 chicks on the raft, which is really good news.
How crazy is this English weather? You know, 1 minute thunder, lightning, torrential rain, now beautiful sunshine again within just a few minutes. Absolutely crazy. But the sky looks like it's going to turn again soon. I'm tempted to go back and have a go at the Bearded Tits before I go, but there's a risk I might have to take. I don't know yet. I don't know if you can hear that thunder around, but it's almost time for me to go, and I just got to pick my moment, I think, because I've got like, I don't know, 10-15 minute walk back to the car. The thunder's going on around, the rain's, can you hear that? The rain's just coming down quite lightly at the moment. Got a great crested grebe right in front of the hide here, absolutely lovely. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna cut and run. So thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing, have a great day, and sorry we didn't get any bearded tits, but we'll try again, we'll keep trying, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.